CNC routers are finding their way into more and more workshops, particularly these small little pups like this one. Doesn't take too much space, doesn't cost too much, but affords you all the opportunity to enjoy what CNC routing has to offer. I decided with this machine it needed a little bit of an upgrade, and so two things I've added to it: more clamping ability and storage. So let's take a look at the storage. Underneath the machine, we've got a large, deep drawer here. Perfect place for router bits, wrenches, and of course all the hold downs you're going to need. Manuals, anything like that. And it's all right here with your unit, so you don't have to go scampering around the shop every time you need a wrench, a hold down, or a router bit. Got these nice long full extension slides. Super easy, very nice. The other issue is helping out, giving you more opportunities to clamp your work down. The bases on some of these small routers are, well, a little small. So first off, I added a large spoil board, and it extends very far off the end here, and it just gives me more opportunities to position a workpiece and then use screws and small wooden blocks to clamp everything down securely. The end of my spoil board is supported by this clamping bridge here. So let's take the spoil board off, and I'll show you what that's about. As the router stands now, it's a little hard for me to use my full format size and get a hold down up front here. With the bridge, it's simply an extension of our table. So using any of these 4 slots, we can slip the T-bolt or a carriage bolt in there and clamp our work down. And that way, we can position work wherever we need to and really make use of that format size. There's a lot of tricks for holding work down with the CNC machine, like hot melt glue and double-sided tape, but really, hold downs are the way to go. And with this little addition, it's going to make your life so much easier. Also, I like the fact that my CNC router is up a little bit off my bench, makes it a little easier on cord management, getting a vacuum to it, and it really makes me feel like I've created a little area, a little unit special just for my CNC machine. So organization, more ways to clamp, you can't beat it. The CNC Organizer in Shop Notes Magazine.